You might be wondering, where do I start? Or I don't know how to do this on my own. Don't worry, I got you covered. Let's break it down step by step. So first, you're going to go to the Amazon website and click on sign in at the top right corner. Now, if you don't have an account yet, that's okay. Click on create your Amazon account. Second, you're going to fill in your name, your email, and you're going to create a strong password. Once you're done, you're going to click create your Amazon account again. Next, you're going to add your payment method. So don't worry, you can choose to pay monthly or yearly for Prime Video. So now you're ready to pick a plan that works best for you. Do you want access to Prime Video only? Or would you like Amazon Prime, which includes extra benefits like fast shipping? So you got to decide that. And lastly, you're going to download the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone or your smart TV, and you're going to start streaming. So if you're excited to watch your favorite shows, give me a like, leave me a comment. Love you. Thanks for being here. Ciao.